We have here in the studio with us today the CEO of Detection Technology, Mr. Hannu Martola. Welcome.
Thank you, pleasure being here.
Let's start off by asking what kind of company is Detection Technology?
Well, we at Detection Technology, we develop, market, sell and manufacture X-ray imaging detectors for healthcare, security and industrial markets. We operate in all continents. We have offices in China, 2 companies in mainland China, Hong Kong, Boston, and in Europe, in Finland, 2 offices. We have about a bit over 500 employees, and out of our business, about 60% comes from Asia, about 20% in Europe, and 20% in Americas.
Could you tell us a bit about your background?
I have been with DT since 2007, and before DT, actually, I worked at another sensor company in the automotive industry.
How do you see the market for X-ray imaging developing, and what are the latest trends from your point of view?
Well, X-ray imaging market has been growing quite steady for years and years, about 5%, a bit over 5%. The big drivers for healthcare are in aging population in the developed world and the need for basic healthcare in the developing world. Many societies in the world actually have insecurity concerns. The countries want to prevent threats, and X-ray is used for their in various critical points like airports, aviation, all kinds of traffic, headquarters, courts, etc. And then in the industrial segment, typically companies want to either reduce cost and or then maintain their quality and understand what they did. Also, the new trends like big data, more and more manufacturing companies want to understand how they did, what they did, want to learn from it, start to use X-ray, as well as the big trend of use of algorithms and artificial intelligence that will drive our technology, detector technology, further.
Could you tell us a little bit about DT's strategy and your competitive advantages?
Well, our new strategic target that we just launched is to be the growth leader in the digital X-ray imaging detector solutions. And we work very much first we are focused on X-ray imaging detectors. That gives us strength. We also work very much with our customers. So customer interface is a very crucial for our learning to understand the future needs and the current needs and how can we serve our customers better. We also work long term with our strategic the technology development with roadmaps. We have various annual sessions with our key customers to understand their plans, to match our plans so that we can meet together in the future, and that is the basis for our business development.
Your medium-term financial targets are to grow at least 15% annually and to achieve an operating margin at or above 15%, and you've been very successfully achieving these during the last years. What is the recipe for continuing to achieve these goals?
I think the core really is the relentless working with customers and winning new business with the customers, and that the whole DT team is actually very motivated on winning new business with winning new customers and their trust, and winning new business from existing customers while maintaining high service through our all business. We work very long term on the other hand, so we have a long-term vision, and that gives foundation for enabling the business to grow in future. And then the very important is the current. What do we do today? What do we do tomorrow to speed up our development projects, to speed up our service and increase our revenues from that point.
And last but not least, what is DT's approach to sustainability?
Sustainability it's core and has been core in our business for long. I mean, one part it's in healthcare. I mean, even more than 10 years ago, it was crucial for the main healthcare players to make sure that their leading suppliers have high ethics and are working with sustainable principles. We very much we look on the standards on Responsible Business Alliance, their policies, the ISO, the various standards on ISO, and then United Nations that then guide the acts. But the true core really is in the values of the company and how do we want to develop the business further sustainably to make sure that our employees have a purpose in their work, are proud of the company, to make sure that our customers can be proud of their leading supplier, as well as the society around us, the investors, various stakeholders.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.